everyone. வந்திருக்க எல்லாருக்குமே ரொம்ப thank you all for coming here today evening on this special evening for us, for our family, for MG FPL, and thank you all here for a long time. We made you wait for some time, sorry for that, and so glad, so happy to see so many people, so many customers of ours here today joining with us to celebrate this wonderful event today. Thank you once again. And now we will start the event by inviting our chief guest for the day. So let me invite the guest for the day, our old little superstar. How can I say what? There are a master, a great musician, the pride of our country. We are so fortunate that we have him here today. Happy that we have him today. He is he has done music in a very young age. நாங்களாம் விளையாடிட்டு இருக்க டைமில் ஒரு மியூசிக் கம்போஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாரு. And he has won so many international multi-talented musician, composer, singer, music arranger. To have Mr. Lydian Nadaswaram here today for this evening. Sir, please come here. We'd like to have you on the stage. Thank you so much for coming up, and I would request Mr. Ranjit ASM from MG Motors India. Famous, smiley, known to many. நீங்க இவங்க எல்லாரும் big screen ல பாத்திருப்பீங்க, silver screen ல பாத்திருப்பீங்க. Now she is here with us to celebrate this event and make this event more happening. Request Nandita Jennifer, ma'am, please, we would like to have you on this stage. She's known for her dance, great actress, and she is with us here today to make this even more colorful. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us this opportunity. I would request our senior VP, Mr. Srinivasan sir, to come and honor the guest. Just once again giving a glimpse of our guest, Mr. Lydian Nadaswaram. So we've been celebrating heroes and other people.
Friend about
Nandini.
சும்மா நடுவில் வரீங்க.
So which is going to be more exciting. நீங்க vehicle பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா you will be more excited. It's going to be a different vehicle, a class apart from other vehicles. A new thought, new process, new innovations and new designs. So everything is new in this vehicle. So once the unveiling is done, you can have a look at the vehicle. So let me take you through the product. What is a significant milestone in our journey towards the electrification and sustainable mobility. Best in segment 6 airbags, dual front, side and curtain airbags. Standard across all variants and also 360-degree surround view cameras. So the MG Windsor comes with host of safety features like ESP, hill start assist, hill descent control, emergency stop monitoring system, to name few, and it has got more other features. So we have introduced this vehicle with a very attractive price of 9.99 lakhs ex-showroom base variant. So this was the introductory price offered for the Shell, and MG has also introduced a new system, a new service called BaaS, which is Battery as Service. It comes in three variants. It's Excite is the entry level, then Exclusive, and the top end is called as Essence. So Excite, Exclusive, and Essence. So these are the variants of MG Windsor. So the ex-showroom cost of Excite is 13.49, with the battery and the shell. So that's the ex-showroom cost of the Excite, and the Exclusive is 14.49, that is 14.49,800, and the Essence is 15.49,800. These are the ex-showroom prices of these variants.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough
I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart, I'm ready to change.